how to disable Windows Defender in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, if you want to disable your Windows Defender, you'll need to open up your settings first, and then on the left hand side, you'll find Privacy and Security. Tap on it and then go ahead and tap on Windows Security. So here you'll need to open Windows Security and then you will see Firewall and Network Protection. Tap on it. So now here you'll find domain network, private network and public network. You have to toggle it all off if all three is on. So just first tap on domain network and then you can see the toggle on. You just have to toggle it off and then uh, you have to tap on yes and then that's it. Now you need to come back and then do the same for private network and public network and you'll disable the firewall protection. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.